Welcome back, guys. I'm getting a pressure question 10, paper 2, 5054. Let's start. Question 10. Figure 1.1 shows a tube full of mercury placed upside down in a dish of mercury. Initially, a small piece of glass closes the open end of the tube. पहले इधर एक piece of glass रखा हुआ था उसके बाद उस piece of glass को हटा दिया गया है and the mercury has been released into the dish. The piece of glass is removed and the level of mercury in the inverted tube falls as shown in figure 1.2. Explain why the level of mercury falls. अच्छा, initially अब आपने देखा होगा there is a piece of glass. When the piece of glass is removed, then two forces are being acted on either side. One force will be the atmospheric pressure. The atmospheric pressure is gonna cause the mercury to flow inside the tube. While on the other hand, the pressure weight, because of the force of weight, will cause the mercury to go downwards, right? While the way, जो atmospheric pressure है, it is telling the mercury to go inside the tube and going up. On the other hand, weight जो है, it is telling the mercury to go down. So after some time, जो resultant force बनता है, it is downwards, and when it is like downwards, that means के weight का force जो है that is greater than the atmospheric pressure, and after some time it becomes a vacuum inside here, and vacuum और थोड़ा सा lower हो जाता है, it is like lowered. So yeah, देख लेते हैं. Pressure due to mercury in tube is greater than pressure due to atmosphere. Resultant force downwards and mercury flows out of the tube. Mercury flows out of the tube and into the dish. Very simple. एक और दफा बता देता हूँ. This is a good concept. अगर आप इसको खुला छोड़ोगे, so there will be two forces. एक force which will cause is atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure will cause the mercury to go inside the tube and up, while on the other hand, the weight will tell the mercury to go down. और थोड़ी देर बाद the weight wins and a resultant force is produced downwards. So that is it. State what is point found at point X. It is a vacuum. Vacuum that is found at point X. Describe how the tube of mercury in figure 1.1.2 is used to determine a value for the atmospheric pressure in pascals. You may draw on figure. अच्छा ये तो अच्छा मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. हमने कौन सा फॉर्मूला मेजरली यूज करना होता है in these type of scenarios where density is given and this what do you call it diagram is given. हमें दिया हुआ डेंसिटी, हमें हाइट मिल जाएगी. हाइट will be taken from here to here, from the start of vacuum to the yeah. So that will be the height, and we already have the g. So that means ke we will use the formula rho gh. Pressure is equals to density into g into height. G is the gravitational field strength that will. Acha, height of mercury column. Mentioned height of mercury column above the dish is measured. Candidates suggest use of rho gh in meters. So yeah, that is it for this video. You have height of mercury column mentioned. Height of mercury column above the level in which measured. ये मैंने बनाया हुआ है ऊपर, आप देख लेना. Candidates suggest use of rho g h and h in meters. So yeah, h को meters में लेना है. Keep that in mind. आपने centimeters में नहीं लेना unless the examiner has asked you to like give answers in centimeters. Using centimeters. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz. Sorry, one thing I realized is that I made a small arrow, which is not necessary. So don't नॉट नेसेसरी नहीं, विच इज रॉन्ग। तो सिर्फ ये वाली हाइट लेनी है आपने। एंड बाय।